I'm putting a seat on the back. I'm replacing the old seat that I had on there. It was an old Atwood, came with the boat. But I'm replacing the seat with this swivel ease, and this is just a seat I ordered on Amazon. That are already put on for the front. They actually are really comfortable, and for $100 for 2 seats, I think that was a pretty good price. And they're, like I said, they're comfortable, and they can rotate 360 degrees. So that's also on these swivelies. I think these are the kind of Atwood knockoffs, but it's like Pro Accessories or something. I don't really know. So let's dig in here. And I'm just going to attach this. Obviously, I already attached this one, but we're just going to throw this one on there too. It's pretty straightforward and simple. There we go. All right, so let's get this open. This pretty much just comes ready to go. Now I did go and I watched a couple videos on these things. This is what it looks like, the box, and they recommend making a tool like this. It's a PVC pipe, and just cutting some grooves in the side so that you can get this underneath there. I think it's best to hand tighten these. I don't think you want to over tighten them, and also I think getting a tool down in here would be a trick anyway. So we'll just kind of hand tighten that down, leave it a little bit loose. This guy down there. It's always best to go across from each other to make sure that this side fits evenly. And honestly, there really isn't a whole lot to this. Just turn this so that I can kind of get to that screw there, tighten it down, and then we'll do this last one here. This one actually went on way easier and faster than the last one. So yeah, now I'll kind of get them in there nice and good, tighten them down really good. This is literally going to take me probably 10 minutes max altogether. I don't know how long it's actually been recording. So that seat's actually on there. So now let's put this up here. Good. I don't know if I have to. I'll cut that down. I can hand tighten it down quite a ways there. Get it as far as we can get it. There we go. Okay, so what I'm actually doing right now is I am tightening this down so that I can cut this pipe. It's actually going to be too long to do what I originally wanted to do. So same principle, it's just a little shorter now. Because these screws are so long coming out of there, you kind of need to have something like this. There's probably no way you're going to be able to tighten this with your hand tight enough for it to actually be tight on there and hold, and actually hold somebody's weight. I'm guessing, I don't know. I mean, I guess if you're pretty strong, go ahead and give it a shot. I want mine to be on there really good. I don't want to fall off. Read some of the reviews where somebody said they went overboard on one of these. I don't know what you were doing, but So you just tighten that in there really good. Said there's the wing nut is in there, and you just kind of there, that's wrapped around there, and you just kind of crank that on there. I mean, it's already on there pretty good right now. And we're just going to do the same with this side, and there you go. Get that down there as tight as we can get it. That's on there pretty good right there. So I got the seat on. I'm sitting up here in the boat. You know, it's on there pretty good. Like I said, these are comfortable seats. I got these on Amazon. They were $119 for both of these seats. It was like Leader Pro Accessories or something like that. I'll put a link in the description. The Swivelies, again, these were really easy to, this took me about 10 minutes to put these seats on. I already took the old seats off beforehand. That's gonna take a little bit of time, but this literally took me about 10 to 15 minutes to put together, and I even took the time to stop and like record what I'm doing. So yeah, these are really nice seats, really easy to use with these. This is a 12-foot John boat, really easy seats. I mean, they're on there pretty good. I don't wanna rock too much because I just got some wood blocks on the tires over there, but so anyway, yeah, I'll do a complete rundown of everything I've done to the boat up to this point because this is the last thing that I'm doing this year. Kind of hoping to take it out fishing either tomorrow or the next day and put everything into use. So yeah, thanks for watching the video.